Okay, if you go to the scene and we want to talk about the sunlight, if you click, automatically bring there the sunlight. The position of the sunlight is not important. You can see the shadow of here are not changing. Because in the sunlight, if you click that, the rotation of the sunlight is important. Based on this arrow, you can change. You can see, you can change you have to release your mouse to affect the changes. Or rotation in this angle, you can see it will be change the sun length and everything that you so the rotation of the sun is very important. Position is not important, and we don't have the scale. The rotation of that are important. Here you can change the shadow. You can change the color of your sun, very easy. A simple light. Now you can see we have sun. This is an ambient color. You can change overall color at the scene. It's completely dark. You can see you can change overall scene, ambient scene, environment. Nice. You shadow distance. You can see if I come back, you can see the shadow R will be disappear. This is all this distance. You can increase or decrease of that. You can see this is a number between the object and the camera. If the higher distance means the higher object can be create shadow. For example, a default number, you can see you have to close to the object, and then shadow will be appear. This in this setting is very important, because if you have a lots of scene, a very vast and big scene, it does not need to calculate all of the shadows. The shadows are calculate below this number. Okay. Oops, we're gonna make it bigger. And the shadow intensity, this is how dense you can create your shadow. Nice. That's it.